Hello viewers, let's talk about synchronization in Java. What is meant by Java synchronization and when to use it and how to use it in multi-thread programming. So let's get started. So methods of synchronization in Java are four. You can synchronize instance of a method. You can synchronize static methods. Synchronized, you can do synchronization for a block also, and synchronized block inside static methods as well. So if you are doing a synchronization, you can do like this. In the left hand side you can see. So why we do this typically, so this is normally used in and only used in multi-thread programming. So if you don't want your block of code or a method to be executed simultaneously by more than one thread, in that case you can use the synchronize keyword. So you can see in this example on the right hand side, if for this synchronized block of code, thread 1 has to wait because thread 2 is executing, and as soon as thread 2 completes the execution, thread 1 will get the chance to execute this block of code. So this same applies to method as well. Now synchronize method, as I said, whenever you will use it will lock the method to be used by only one thread at a time. So if thread 1 is executing the synchronized method, all the other thread will wait in that case. So you can sometimes feel the delay as well if you are using synchronize. So use the synchronize wisely. Just judge better if you want to synchronize a block of code or you want to synchronize the whole method. In this Java code example, you can see the two methods are synchronized: synchronized void as users and synchronized void delete users. So at the time of adding, if someone is deleting the other users, that cannot be done. So because a number of users which is there in the system will be correct. So that's why synchronized keyword has been used with these methods. Now there are synchronized blocks as well apart from synchronized methods. We have seen it in the previous Java example as well. Synchronized blocks, you may lock on an object rather than this, which allows to be much more flexible. So you can use the synchronize keyword and then curly braces start and end, and within that curly braces you can write your method, write your block of code. So many times for declaring the singleton, we can use synchronize as well. So you can see I'm declaring a singleton class, and within the singleton class in the get instance method, I have used the synchronize block, so that if more than one thread is trying to call this method, only one instance should be created. And that's why if we'll use synchronize, then it will make sure that only one thread will execute and only one instance will get created for the singleton class. Now the synchronize modifier or synchronize keyword can only be applied for method or block. Any method or block that is synchronized will only allow one thread, a single thread, to execute the code at a given time. Use of synchronize keyword increases the waiting time of the thread as well. Now what are some of the best practices for using synchronize? Synchronize only critical sections. Do not synchronize the whole methods or multiple methods. Do not use the same lock on objects that are not manipulated together. Do not try to create the deadlock. Use private fields. Use a thread safe wrapper instead. Use immutable objects. Know which Java objects already have the synchronize built in, and do not under synchronize the method. Monitor the synchronization as well whenever you will use it. So that these are some of the best practices you should follow while using the synchronize keyword. So that's all for today. We have seen how to use synchronized blocks, synchronized methods, where only we can use the synchronize, how it leads to locking of the methods, and other thread will wait for it. So that's all for today in synchronization. I hope you understood synchronization, the keyword synchronize, how and why it is used in Java. If you have any question related to synchronization or synchronized keyword, do write in the comment section. And if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.